are here at Mariner with the managing director, and we are excited to have a nice conversation about what they're presenting here in Milan during Design Week. Hey, hello, nice to
Thank
meet
you very much.
Riccardo.
Thank you very much. It's a pleasure. Welcome to our space here in Salone, a place where we are presenting a lot of news together with a good partner we have, which is Fabio Novembre, an international designer who designed our stand. So the name of Mariner is coming from my father's name, who is Marino, but his nickname is Nerino. So the mix of Marino and Nerino, it's Mariner. That's why the company is called like this.
So it's a family company?
Yeah, I'm the third generation. We have passion similar to all the Italian, let's say, industries.
Are you ready to present the
Yeah.
collection?
Please, welcome.
So this is the future of design in the bathroom industry.
Yeah, what we're trying to do is to complete the bathroom, including different solutions. The request now and trend from the market and from the architect is to complete the bathroom, not only with mixer, but with a full concept of total bathroom. That's why we developed two models together with Antonia Deda. We developed two wash basin mixer that are made with grass, can be produced with any kind of tiles. In this case, we use Corten from Marazzi.
We are here close to the start of the show.
Yeah, LYMFA, a new collection. It's a purified system water with sparkling water, cold water, and natural temperate water. It can be with the display, where you can select the water, and you can select sparkling water, natural water, and without water. And you have the system from Mariner, who is available in different sizes, with osmosis, without osmosis.
Why you have two types? This is
So,
more classical, this is more
We have a
digital?
mechanical version and we have a digital version.
Yeah.
Both of them, they are working with the same system, but at the end you can decide if you want to have it mechanical, so the classic, if you don't want to have a display, or with a display.
This year it's all about the total bathroom design.
Yeah, that's correct. All the architect, what they're trying to do is to complete the bathroom with the full solution. So now we have 1,000 colors, and different brands. What we try to do is to create the complete set of accessories, including bussy plate, including towel holder, including the freestanding wash basin and the deck mounted wash basin. So this year we are launching the Mariner complete bathroom solution. This one in particular, it's a new color as well. It's the brushed copper PVD, and it's composed by a freestanding. Then we have the towel holder, concealed bathtub, and concealed wash basin made in stainless steel, in which we use the PVD to reach the same color. Yeah.
This is also in champagne.
Yeah, we have launched this year champagne, which we call soft gold, and we launched brush bronze.
More feminine.
Yeah, feminine. Brush gold PVD and brush copper PVD. We can customize everything. So if you have in mind any color, we can do it. No problem.
So you are open to have
Always.
projects with interior designers who wants to make a
Always,
bespoke-
always. The reason why we create this system is to be flexible and to be ready to the trend, and to follow the architects at the end and designers.
I want to know which type is your favorite from the new collection.
So my favorite one, it's Cobra.
Your stand is so popular.
Thank you, thank you. So Cobra, it's my favorite one from a romantic point of view, because it was the first one I developed together with all our team, for sure. But with this range, we won 4 international awards. We won the German award, the Red Dot award, the Big C award, and the Best Brand award. So I'm a little bit in love with this product, because it was the one that made our company grow a lot.
So Mariner is the best brand award?
It's the Best Brand award in 2024 in Germany. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Italian design stole all the hearts.
Yeah.
I think you have here the new collection. You have a favorite type?
You mean a favorite color?
Yes.
Yeah, I love the new brush bronze PVD.
This one?
No, this is brush copper. The brush bronze is this one, while this is the famous champagne, which we call soft gold. So here you can see all our colors. what we have available. It doesn't mean that we cannot produce other colors. It means that these are available. We are one of the, not a lot of company they are offering all the range in all the colors, so this is quite important for us.
What you did with Tonino Lamborghini this year?
So what we've done with Tonino is developing a new system following the LYMFA for Mariner, using Lamborghini machineries to filter and to purify the water. So we said, okay, let's develop something cool, something nice with a display that can be included in every kitchen. So we developed this product from Lamborghini. So you have a carbon shelf with the logo of Lamborghini, with the same system of purified water, sparkling water, natural water, and ambient water.
You have this in your home, it's very much.
Not yet. I'm doing my home now, the new one.
Okay.
So my architect was here before, so I said, okay, I want this in my house because it's really nice. Yeah.
Even Mariner have an architect.
Yeah. Per forza. In Italy we say per forza. It means yes, for sure. Even with this one, we won the Red Dot Award last year. Yeah.
Congrats.
And also this one can be, as you see, in big color, gunmetal and brush stainless steel. Yeah.
It's very technological.
Yeah, it's
I
a
like the car.
tech product following the car. If we complete the bathroom inside, we have also to offer the possibility to the architect to use Mariner product outside. That's why we developed the outdoor shower collection. It's mainly in stainless steel, so it can be available also in PVD. And this is some new design, so it's something new. You can rotate the shower head and you can stay in your pool and take a shower with Mariner product. Yeah.
One thing nobody tells you about bathroom design is that technological design can be also timeless. We are talking about the new LYMFA collection created in collaboration with Tonino Lamborghini, an innovative system designed to deliver purified, chilled, and sparkling water with style. Alongside this, there is the total bathroom system, where the concept expands from taps into showers, accessories, private wellness, and sculptural washing basins. A complete system of the modern bathroom. What I love the most here is that everything points in one direction. Smarter design, better function, and timeless style. What's the vision for Mariner for the next years?
So in the next year, our vision is to continue increasing our brand, supporting the brand, which during this exhibition we have been able to see the result of all the effort that we have done to create a good brand, which is because Mariner is now the third generation. So there was my father, now myself, and now Riccardo, my son. So the vision is to continue following what we have done, because it's been very successful.
Yes, it is.
Anyway, all this success that we are having is not just because of my father, me, and Riccardo, but of all our team. And I will always thank Lorenzo, Domenico, and all the people that. And Riccardo, for sure, my son. So
how is to work with your own son in the same company?
it's very good. It's very because it's bring a lot of energy, a lot of energy. Sometimes you need to say to him, "Be quiet," because he wants to do more and more. But it's a good, it was very good. It was very good. So he is. I think he gave a big change in terms of brand, in terms of new design and everything. So.
How is the Romanian market for your company?
Romanian market is improving every year. We get more and more customers every year. We are winning different projects in hotel, residential. So in Romania, I believe that the brand Mariner will keep growing in the next year, for sure.
Do you see this collection for Mariner a part of your iconic work?
Yeah, of course. I mean, everything is iconic to me. I mean, you cannot be a designer without having an iconic idea of design. Actually, that's my point of view. It's also true that the spirit of the times goes in another direction. I mean, if I go around the fair, more and more things have less personality, you know what I mean? And that's something completely different from the world in which I grew up. I mean, I was surrounded by maestros like Sozza, Mendini, that were icons of design. They were designing super iconic objects, so that I have that kind of education. So for me, this is necessary. You know, I need to design icons. Otherwise, I give up. I don't want to design another faucet, another furniture, another robot. I'm also doing a robot for the Institute of Technology of Arab Emirates. I mean, unless you want to really mark things, you should give up. Don't be a designer. If you want to do ordinary things, don't be a designer.
That's a lesson for all of us.
No, but really, that's my suggestion to everyone. Either you want to leave a mark, either you want to make a three-dimensional statement, or give up. Don't be a designer.
You have the iconic design in your blood. What's Fabio Novembre's most iconic piece in the world?
So, let's say that my main inspiration has always been the human body.
Yes.
You know, it's interesting because it has a lot to do with our culture, and we share the same culture, that we always kind of imagined even the idea of God as a human figure. You know, I mean, think about when in classical art you had to give an idea of God. It was an old man, you know what I mean? Or Madonna is a beautiful young woman. So that we have always thought about perfection in terms of a human figure. And that has always imbued my inspiration. I mean, plus, I'm a man and I'm very much attracted by the female body. So that for me, that has always been a huge source of inspiration. You know, the big desire of a woman body has been my main source.
And can you name the most iconic piece you ever made?
I mean, I shouldn't name it. Other people should name it. But for sure, if I have to think about museums and stuff,
yes,
probably Nemo, the big face for Dryade, is the most spread out. I mean, and I also tell you a very interesting story. When I brought the original design to the original owner of the company, we looked at each other and we said, "It's beautiful, but it will never sell." And it's funny because then, as soon as we showed it in the furniture fair,
everybody loved it in a
became
second.
Immediately the bestseller of Dryade.
Everybody knows your
Why
product.
I'm telling you this story? Because when you want to do amazing things, you cannot predict it. You know, success is not predictable. You just have to do things that people don't even know that they want. You cannot interpret people. You have to go your way.
That's the motto of design.
Exactly.
You need to do something for people who they don't even know they need.
I mean, think about it. Even the wheel would have never been invented because people were pushing stones. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
They were pushing stones, and people say, "Why you should make something different? We just push stones." And then he says, "No, sorry. If you cut the angles and we make a perfectly circular
Do you think
form."
that person was an Italian?
That's a very good question. No, probably it was from Mesopotamia, which has been, let's say, the nurture of human beings.
Just a small Italian.
For sure, and you could see from this interview, there is a big passion. I mean, I'm turning 60 this year, and there is one thing that is important for me. I never lost the passion. Actually, I'm telling you a secret. At 60 years old, I'm becoming father again this year. My first child.
Congrats!
I'm someone that always believed in life and keeps on believing in life, which is the only way for being a designer.
So, in your design language, you have in common the passion of drawing, of inventing, or?
You know, that's interesting. I don't draw.
No?
I'm not able to draw.
I don't
You know,
think so.
it's really funny. I never draw. But when someone comes to me with a specific request, like design a faucet, it immediately comes to my mind. Immediately. I have this kind of superpower of imagining things in a moment.
I think it's just routine. Maybe you have a special routine in your morning or a special state of mind.
No, it's not a matter of routine. You know, Francis Scott Fitzgerald, the famous writer, used to say, how can I explain to my wife that when I look outside the window, I'm working? You know, it's like, looks like you're doing nothing, but your brain just goes. You just imagine new things. So that's how creative minds are, you know. It's always an earthquake in your mind. It's always a revolution in your mind. That's how it is.
Why dual? Why we need to have two parts of the same
I mean,
faucet?
this is very symbolical to me because, I mean, here I give you a very famous Argentinian saying. It says, takes two to tango. I mean, to make the most beautiful things, including having a baby, it takes two bodies.
Yes.
So the dual for me is the secret of life. Alone, you cannot do anything. At
Okay.
least you must be two.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Is that a part of designing La Dolce Vita?
I mean, you are naming one of my favorite movies ever, and you're naming my favorite director ever, Federico Fellini.
Okay.
So for me, it's always a Dolce Vita. For me, it's always that kind of attitude, of joie de vivre. It's always like that.
But when it comes to design, what means for you designing La Dolce Vita with your own hands?
It's the joie de vivre. If you are able to transfer all your positive vision of life into the things you do, that's La Dolce Vita.
You put a bit of La Dolce Vita also in this collection?
Put a little bit of happiness, of smile, of unpredictability, I mean, that's what design is about, you know? I mean, let people smile. We have so many problems already.
Oh no, we don't have problems, that just situations. Okay?
No, but all over the world, I mean, we are surrounded by terrible things, so that we have to help people keeping faith in future.
Okay. Why did you accept the challenge of Mariner for making this collection for them?
Because I fall in love with the people, and I very much like them personally. They're very nice people, and I always choose the people, you know. I choose the people I want to work with, and it's exactly the same thing as I was telling you about having a baby, you know. It's to make a product, it takes a designer and an entrepreneur. And they have to match perfectly in order to obtain something that is a child like this. So
That's beautiful.
really, we made a beautiful child together.
Okay.
Because a designer is not enough.
Okay. Grazie mille, and I
Grazie
hope
a
to see you next year here in Salone del Mobile in Milan.
Absolutely.
So this is the future of bathroom design. Thank you, Mariner, for having us. And if you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your thoughts below.